This is Unit 7, Week 1, question number 9. Who were the big four at the peace treaty meeting of Versailles? There were four countries that were there. Britain, with David Lloyd George. France, with Georges Clemenceau. Italy, which switched sides in the middle of the war to be on the winning side, with Vittorio Orlando. And finally, the United States, with President Woodrow Wilson, who was the first U.S. president to go overseas or to leave country while in office. And they met, and what did they basically came up with? Germany's bad, Germany's bad, Germany's bad. They need to pay reparations. $33 billion. Did Wilson want this? No, he wanted a peace without victory. But Wilson held on to this Treaty of Versailles and pressured because he wanted one of his 14 points. He wanted a League of Nations. So, in this treaty, yes, a League of Nations was formed. 2 new nations were drawn up from map all over Europe. European cartographers, for their part, probably had to commit mass suicide. Why? Maps totally redrawn. New countries never existed before. Yugoslavia, Austria, Hungary, Czechoslovakia, Poland, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Finland. A number of countries that had existed historically were redrawn on the map. And Germany was laid to blame, and Germany was not allowed to put its troops on the edge of its border. It could only have its troops protect a central heartland, or as I say, made Germany into a giant donut. The German troops could defend the donut whole, but the donut part up to their borders were left undefended. And all of the German colonies around the globe were made mandates for the League of Nations, and most of German territories around the globe were given to the other imperial powers, France, Japan, Britain, others, as they redrew the map. Germany lost territories, had to pay a ton of money, couldn't pay it, dropped into massive, massive debt and poverty, part of which is what led eventually to World War II. And that's it from some guy in an Aloha shirt. And the Treaty of Versailles at the palace just outside of Paris.